Stair projects demand stability, safety, and smart design when reaching uneven heights indoors or outdoors. Best ladder for stairs use options provide adjustable legs, secure locking systems, and confident balance to handle staircases, landings, and angled surfaces with professional control. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. LANBITOU Stair Ladder. The LANBITOU Stair Ladder is designed for users who prioritize maximum safety, strength, and versatility in one reliable ladder. What immediately sets this model apart is its reinforced and thickened aluminum construction. With an aluminum thickness of 2 mm, it is noticeably sturdier than many multi-position ladders on the market, offering a strong sense of security when climbing or working at height. While the added thickness slightly increases weight, it does not compromise portability, making it a dependable choice for both home and professional use. One of its biggest advantages is flexibility. This multi-position ladder can be quickly converted into several configurations, including an extended A-frame ladder, stair ladder, tall ladder, outdoor long ladder, and compact folding ladder. This adaptability makes it ideal for a wide range of tasks, such as maintenance, cleaning, repairs, and outdoor projects. Stability is further enhanced by the inclusion of 2 anti-slip balance bars that increase ground contact and reduce wobbling. The sloping mesh design improves grip, while soft pads protect floors and walls from damage. Attention to detail is evident throughout the ladder, with polished metal edges and high-strength plastic protection preventing cuts and wear during use. Safety certifications including EN 131, ANSI, ISO 9001, BSCI, GS, and TUV add confidence, confirming its ability to support up to 300 pounds in regular use. Overall, the LANBITOU Stair Ladder delivers exceptional strength, versatility, and peace of mind for demanding tasks.
Number 2. HBTower Stair Ladder. The HBTower Stair Ladder is a practical and user-friendly option designed for comfort, stability, and everyday convenience. Built with a strong steel frame, this 5-step ladder offers a solid and dependable structure that feels secure underfoot. Its size is well balanced, providing ample climbing height while remaining compact enough to fold and store easily when not in use. Assembly is straightforward, requiring no extra tools and taking only a few minutes, which makes it appealing for users who want a hassle-free setup. One of the standout features of this ladder is the large built-in tool platform, which allows you to keep tools, paint cans, or cleaning supplies within easy reach, improving efficiency and reducing unnecessary trips up and down. The sponge-covered handrails add an extra layer of comfort and support, making climbing safer and more pleasant, especially for seniors or those who prefer added stability. Safety is further reinforced through its non-slip design. Wide pedals with textured rubber surfaces provide secure heel-to-toe support, while the large rubber feet grip the ground firmly and protect floors from scratches. The upgraded security system includes thickened steel and additional metal support, along with an automatic safety locking mechanism that engages when the ladder is fully opened. Rust-resistant materials ensure durability over time, making the HBTower Stair Ladder a reliable choice for kitchens, closets, and general household tasks. Number 3. The XinSunho Stair Ladder. The XinSunho Stair Ladder is a lightweight yet sturdy solution for homeowners seeking safety, convenience, and smart space-saving design. Constructed from thick, high-strength aluminum tubing, this 5-step ladder offers impressive durability while remaining easy to carry and maneuver. Weighing under 15 pounds, it is ideal for frequent use around the house without causing strain. Its compact folding design allows it to be stored in narrow spaces, making it especially suitable for apartments or homes with limited storage. A key highlight of this ladder is its retractable hand grip, which can be extended for extra support or retracted to save space when not needed. The added safety belt ensures the hand grip stays securely in place during use, enhancing confidence while climbing. Attention to safety continues with reinforced connection points and high-quality aluminum alloy components that strengthen the handrail and main frame connection.
With a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, the XinSunho stair ladder balances strength and portability exceptionally well. Overall, it is a reliable and thoughtfully designed ladder for cleaning, organizing, and light maintenance tasks around the home.
Number 4. DIAMONDFORGE Stair Ladder. The DIAMONDFORGE stair ladder is built for users who demand heavy-duty performance and exceptional durability. Crafted from thickened 9mm alloy steel, this 4-step ladder delivers outstanding strength and stability, capable of supporting up to an impressive 600 pounds. Its rugged construction makes it ideal not only for household tasks, but also for more demanding applications where reliability is essential. The steel frame is resistant to rust, corrosion, wear, and temperature changes, ensuring long-term performance in a variety of environments. Safety is a central focus of the DIAMONDFORGE design. A gravity lock system engages securely when the ladder is opened, while dual-sided reinforcing ribs provide additional structural support for a stable climbing experience. Wide, non-slip iron treads offer solid heel-to-toe footing, reducing fatigue and increasing confidence during use. Sponge-covered handrails enhance comfort and grip, making climbing and descending feel controlled and secure. Large rubber feet prevent unwanted movement and protect flooring from scratches. Despite its heavy-duty build, the ladder remains highly practical thanks to its ultra-slim folding profile. When folded, it measures just under 3 inches thick, allowing it to be stored easily behind doors, under beds, or in closets.
Number 5. KOLL Stair Ladder. The KOLL Stair Ladder stands out as a highly versatile and safety-focused option designed to adapt to a wide range of indoor and outdoor tasks. Built from high-quality aluminum alloy, this ladder offers excellent resistance to rust, corrosion, and temperature changes, ensuring durability over long-term use. Its reinforced and precision-welded frame provides a strong, stable feel, supporting up to 330 pounds while minimizing shaking during work. One of its most notable features is the stabilizer bar design, which adds 2 additional bars at the base to increase ground contact and significantly improve balance. Safety is further enhanced through an embedded locking system that securely holds the ladder at different angles and positions. Each extended section also includes a fixed lock, ensuring the ladder remains stable during height adjustments. Non-slip foot pads provide reliable traction on various surfaces, giving users greater confidence when climbing. The KOLL ladder truly excels in versatility, as it can be converted into multiple configurations, including a step ladder, A-frame ladder, telescopic ladder, right-angle ladder, or even a scaffold setup. This flexibility makes it suitable for cleaning, painting, roof repairs, RV access, tree trimming, and more. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.